Hello dears, if you are using fully automatic top loading washing machine and found washing machine more shaking in spinning and it's cancelling again and again spinning program and goes to rinse program and shows in display rinse and spinning time. It's happening again and again. Then how to repair it? You must need to know that your washing machine gearbox is faulty or how to repair your washing machine gearbox or gear mechanism. See, when you're facing this problem that your washing machine is shaking and cancelling spinning program, then one thing must you have to check up. See, check it very carefully when your washing machine is starting spin dry. Look in the spin drum that the spinnable cloths are rolling in and it goes one side in the spin drum. If the cloths are rolling in and going one side in the spin drum, then this is the fault that your washing machine is shaking in the spin process. Shaking reason is cancelling the program of spin dry. Dears, this fault is creating from washing machine gearbox, means from the gear mechanism, because of its inside fitted metal clutch spring. It's slipping from spin rotor, and spring slipping reason is spring is going back from the water leakage or oil leakage from the gearbox seal. If it is no water leakage or oil leakage, then you try to understand that there is fitted clutch spring is become loose and it's become expanded. This is the reason that this spring is not rotating to spin drum. Then how to repair it and how to save 5,000 to 9,000 rupees. Avoid to changing gearbox. Because of gearbox is very costly parts in any type of top loading washing machine. See, let's know that how to repair it. Just to lay down your washing machine at the floor and open these things. This pulley, open this nut and remove the pulley parts and check its clutch spring which is fitted inside of the gearbox, means in gear mechanism, and check it proper if it is bent or become loose or you found any types of damage in this spring. Order it here. See, it's my contact number 9833337777. You dial on this number and send me clutch spring size. How much is height of this spring and how much is the roundness. Tell me model number and brand or company name of washing machine. I will deliver you online and you will get it at home. Fix it yourself by following a washing machine clutch spring fitting video, which links are given in the video description. Dears, try to yourself and save big expenses from maintenance of your washing machine. Dears, please make sure like my video and subscribe the channel if needed. Thanks for watching. Have a nice moment. See you in next video.